Hello everybody, I'm down here at Shapwick Heath Nature Reserve near Glastonbury and I came down today to see the Starlings, and I quickly realised the weather was going to be good and thought I'd better come down. The Starlings murmuration. They do this anyway every year between December, but really January and February, and it's now February, so kind of peak murmuration time, starting to peter out now. I arrived at Ham Wall thinking that's where they'd be, which is just across the road, and then somebody informed me that, oh no, they were actually going to be here at Shapwick Heath, which a nature reserve I've only been to once, and it's a bit of potluck where they're going to roost each night, people predict. I hadn't got a chance to collect much B-roll and to kind of set the scene and to talk to everybody before it began, and there was a crowd of people at the end, and then just as I was arriving, they started to murmur. So they came over from where the sun was setting, over that way, all the way over our heads and down towards the field, but they kind of tucked around the back of the trees, so they were quite hard to see. After a while, they did come back round and start murmuring a little bit, but really they just came round in a huge flock, and then descended very quickly into the reeds. So most of the footage that I got was them sort of like a river flying into the reeds, and it was very impressive, but you didn't get the dancing that I've seen in previous years, which is really spectacular. So I'm probably going to come back next week or the week after to see if I can get them properly dancing. It might be a bit late in the year now, but it's just very, very dependent on what happens. Sometimes they dance a bit more if there's a predator like a marsh harrier about, kind of picking them up and causing them to kind of dance and maneuver and, you know, evade the predator. That's when they do a bit more of that. This time though, came down straight to sleep. So first I'm going to just put that footage in so you can see a little bit of the Starlings murmuring. And then what was particularly nice though was at the end, when everybody started to leave, I had the new camera, the A7S III, and I could see better than my eyes. This is the amazing thing about this camera and the sensor and its ability in low light. I could see the murmuration or the Starlings in the backfield in the dark, basically, better than people could see with their eyes. So I was able to stay and watch them a little bit longer, and also then I found it extremely serene when people left, and I could still film the swans and I could still film the reeds in the dark. And even now you can see it's pitch black, and I'm still able to film. Yes, I've got a light on down there, but I'm still able to see roughly what's going on around me. So amazing low light capabilities from this camera. I'm going to put in a little cinematic to end this video of just some of the nice reeds and swans. There was nothing too close to me. Basically filmed all of this that you've seen in this video from this one spot, just rotating the camera and filming things. So it's all from one spot, but shows what you can do, you know, with one, great kit, and two, just kind of like looking and seeing what's there. But hopefully next week I'll get some more murmuration footage and watch part 2, and you will see the murmurations happening again and potentially better. But anyway, thank you for tuning in. I'm trying to vlog more, as you can see, because it gets my filmmaking, I don't even know anymore. Just helps me improve. That's why I do it. It's all about helping improvement, and hopefully some people enjoy watching it in the meantime. Anyway, I've got to get back because it's an hour and it's dark and I'm hungry. So see you all soon.